Hey friends, Ryan Dohrn here, and I'm excited to share with you some recent changes we've made to the Media Sales Academy, formerly called Camp Niche. Now, if you've been out on the street like me selling, you recognize that advertisers are not responding real well to economic uncertainty. So, what I've done is I've changed our training program. Two big things to share with you. One, we're all going through this together, right? So we reduced the price of the Media Sales Academy. We want you and your colleagues to attend. The second thing is I've created a brand new program. So how do you deal with advertisers that are pandemic fatigued and now they're economically uncertain? Well, you've got to approach them differently. So I've dramatically changed my prospecting program, and I'm going to share the details with you. I've dramatically changed how I'm hosting meetings with my customers, and I'm going to share those details with you as well. Plus, a fresh dose of networking with your peers as well. Hey, we're going to get through this time. We got through 06, 07, 08. We got through the pandemic, and if a recession happens to occur, friends, we'll get through that as well. But my goal is to always be making changes to help you not only survive economic problems, but also help you thrive in your media sales career. Click on the agenda down below to see what we're going to be covering. Ask me or email me about team discounts and get signed up today because the classes are very limited by the space of size that we have. All right, friends, my goal is simple. We want to help you take your media sales life to places you only dreamed possible. We'll be in Vegas, Chicago, and Dallas, and I'd love to see you there.